Can we go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll discuss if we can go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that we'll do is head over to TikTok. Now let me show you guys my profile, and you can now see that I don't have 1,000 followers. So what you can do here is, if you tap on the bottom plus sign, you will see the TikTok video camera opening up. Now if I scroll here, you won't actually find any TikTok live option. Now that is because TikTok requires 1,000 followers. As you can see right here, there is an eligibility criteria. You should be at least 18 years old to go live, and you should have at least 1,000 followers. So yeah, you actually do need 1,000 followers. But what you can do is that you can join live of other people. So if you head over to live of other people, you can request to join them, and that is the only way that you can go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. And yeah, that is basically it guys. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.